How to delete search history on Twitter. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first step is you need to open up your Twitter application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the home page of Twitter, from where you will be able to see the various tweets. So in order to delete the search history, you need to first tap on the search bar, which is right next to the home page in the lower button. And you'll be able to see the search bar in the upper section. Simply tap over there and you can see the person or the thing that you have searched will be available over here. So in order to delete, you simply press and hold in the search that you want to delete, and here will be the option for clear. So you have to simply tap on clear and you can see the search has been cleared. But if you have got many searches and you are not able to delete it one by one, then you can simply tap on the cross option, which is at the right hand side of the recent, and here will be the option for clear. You have to simply tap on clear and all of the searches will be cleared easily at a one time. So this is how you delete searches on Twitter. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.